What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today in this video, guys, we're going to talk about when you guys are setting up a wallet, some things you guys need to know before you guys get started in cryptocurrency. The first thing is, well, when you guys are uploading and starting a MetaMask, you have to be careful. Why do you have to be careful? Well, those seed phrases or those seed words, if you do not write those down properly, you could get completely and utterly wrecked. Now, how do you prevent this? Well, what you do is when you upload a MetaMask wallet, it gives you that seed phrase. That seed phrase, go ahead and take that and check it on a different browser. In fact, go ahead and delete the MetaMask after you make it and go ahead and import a wallet when you create a new MetaMask. Why do I tell you to do this? Well, you need to make sure those seed words work properly. Once you got them copied down, once they work great, then you're good. Go ahead and move on to the next step. Now you have your MetaMask, now you want to factor in security. Do you want to have your hardware wallet connected, or do you want to just go nuts and ham with the MetaMask? If you have your hardware wallet connected, the only private seed phrase that you need to remember is on your hardware wallet, because you can upload that to any MetaMask by importing it, or to any wallet that is compatible with a ledger. Even Terra Luna allows you to do a ledger. CELO allows you to do a ledger. All the different chains, especially if they're on MetaMask, they allow you to do a ledger. Not too sure about Solana, but I'm pretty sure they're going to integrate that soon. Time will tell. We'll see what happens. But now that you factor in, okay, great, I want to set up a MetaMask and I want to use a ledger. Okay, that's fine. The only seed phrase you need to remember is on your ledger. Your ledger is going to store all of your ERC20s and so on into there. However, if you're going on to different chains like Terra Luna and so on, if they are not compatible with the ledger, now you're going to have to remember some more seed phrases. The biggest thing you need to remember, TLDR, is remember your seed phrase. Be careful with taking a screenshot or writing it down. Not writing it down. Taking a screenshot or saving it on your computer, because there are such things as viruses. Viruses will be able to search your computer and be able to, not viruses, but hackers will be able to search your computer and be like, oh, this guy's got crypto, here's the seed phrases, let's hack them. So that is something you need to be careful with. So now you have step one, make sure your seed phrases work. Step two, if you want to use a ledger wallet, you can go ahead and integrate that. Step three, now you need to make sure the website is actually compatible with the wallet. I've seen it so many times. People go through all the steps, they set up some random crypto wallet, and they end up getting to the website and it's like, sorry, we're only compatible with MetaMask or Binance Smart Chain wallet, or I don't know, just a goofy wallet. We'll take Solana, for example. Someone goes and set up a MetaMask for Solana and it doesn't work because MetaMask is not compatible with Solana. That is something you have to factor in. Go onto the website or the D app you're trying to play on. Make sure that it's compatible with the wallet you are setting up. That's step three. Step four, if you guys are going to bridge your funds or send them onto that chain, make sure you guys look into the bridges that you're going to use. A lot of times people use the bridge like, oh, USDC over here, it'll so be worth $1 over there. It is not always the case at all, actually. Sometimes there's zero liquidity for that coin, and you can be swapping a Polygon based USDC for a Binance Smart Chain based USDC, and it could be going for 1 for every 0.5. So you'd be getting completely and utterly wrecked. And you have to swap it because, well, if you don't swap it, I mean, you can't play around on the D apps. So your best bet, if you do something like that on accident, make sure you send your coins back across the bridge, swap into the asset that you need over there. Here's a good example. Say you're going on Fantom. What's the best way to get onto Fantom? Well, if you're using the AnySwap bridge, or if you're using a couple of the other bridges, you want, like, say for example, Ethereum to Fantom, I'm going to transact wrapped Fantom to Fantom. However, keep in mind, there are no native Fantom coins on there when I'm bringing wrapped Fantom, so I cannot pay any gas fees. But good news is my wrapped Fantom has liquidity over there, so I can swap and play around with it. Now, if I do something like Hex, if I bring Hex onto Fantom, I don't even know why you're buying Hex anyways, but if you bring it onto Fantom, it'll just be like, nah, bro, we got no liquidity here, so you're going to get, like, wrecked. So you need to make sure you guys get gas fees. If you don't have the gas fees over there, just ask a friend, ask a buddy. You can also leave a comment below or hit me up in the Telegram, or hit us up in the Telegram chat, or even if you're a Discord user, just hit me up. I'll take care of you, unless it's Ethereum. That's a little bit different. I'm just kidding with you guys. Now, Ethereum, if I give you some Ethereum, you're going to be the next faucet. So keep that in mind. You give some, or you get some, you give some. That's how it rolls. That's the rule. That's always the rule. If you guys get some from a faucet, you are the next faucet. So if someone asks, you better raise your hand first thing. Be ready. All right, so now that you got the gas fees, you got the right wallet set up, you made sure your seed phrase worked, and now you made sure there's liquidity for your token over there, what's next, Drake? Have fun. Don't get wrecked. Make sure you guys look into the smart contract code. And if you guys get random tokens airdropped to you that really don't look legit, or they could just be like $1 billion, do not approve those tokens. If you approve those tokens, there are such thing as coins that will take or drain your whole entire wallet. So just because you get free money doesn't mean it's free money. Just make sure you guys are looking into it, especially if they aren't making any announcements for airdrops like Juno, hey, we just had an airdrop, or Osmosis, we just had an airdrop. Instead, it's like, hey, I just got some random coins in my wallet. That's kind of weird. So keep in mind, be careful with that. And when you guys are playing around with DeFi, make sure you guys are careful with sketchy dApps. Why is that? Well, if you, say for example, go on Ethereum, or let's just say for Polygon, and you approve to spin your USDC onto that farm. Say that farm does a rug pull, and there's a error, or not an error, but an error for us, but on purpose for them, where they can basically take all of your funds out of your wallet. What would happen? Oh, if you did infinite approval, well, bro, you're going to get wrecked, because you basically just said, yeah, you have infinite approval to take all the money out of my wallet at any time that you want. So basically, they're going to take all your money and say, bye-bye, thanks for the money. So make sure you guys reject any of those approvals that you do not approve. Something to keep in mind, very, very important. And of course, guys, be careful, especially when you guys are farming. Follow the farming rules, because you can get wrecked. If you don't follow the farming rules, make sure you don't, even when you're following the farming rules, don't invest more than you're willing to lose. Anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a like. And if you guys want to jump in the Discord, that is paid for, there's a link in the description below. It's the Patreon link. And there also is a Telegram chat. The Telegram chat is free, but I'm on it from time to time, not as much on Discord. I'm a lot more active on Discord. Basically, what I do on Discord is I'm explaining to you guys what I'm doing in the markets, when I'm buying something, when I'm selling something, how I'm farming, etc. It's more like hands-on type of thing, but still, I'm trying to teach you guys how to fish. Anyways, guys, of course, I get wrecked 1,000% of the time. This is just me and my opinions, guys, so keep that in mind. Proverbs chapter 17, verses 26. If imposing a fine on the innocent is not good, surely to flog honest officials is not right. So true, man. So true. Guys, if someone's innocent, leave them alone. They're innocent for a reason. Obviously, if they're like, I'm innocent, and they really did something, it's a little bit different. But anyways, guys, tell me what you guys thought about this video. Leave a comment in the description below, or actually in the comments below, not the description. What am I talking about? Thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you guys in the next one. Y'all guys can also catch me on tweeters. It's at Rent a Home Fast, like literally at Rent a Home Fast.